chapter. Now, here, first of all, here we need to understand few things that how this is going on. Uh, why this is used in computer science? Because computer science, if the problem is to sum of two numbers, the problem is too easy to visualize and too easy to do. But if any problem does not have this much easy representation, that problems need to be interpreted somehow. So for that, flowchart has been invented. Okay. So here we will just go to your school book. Just wait. Why this is showing Blu-ray book is unsafe, unsafe, unsafe. I don't know.
Ma'am, your voice is too low. Ma'am, your voice is okay. I say you're having your network problem because your voice is only breaking.
Yeah, ISIS network problem is very low.
Okay, so here you all can see that algorithm. So first of all, this chapter we will learn only that much, whatever is required for you to learn. Okay, and rest of the things problematically we will solve. First of all, please write down. Please not write down means please mark the book. What is algorithm? So algorithm from here, an algorithm is a set of step of instructions for processing data. For processing data, only this line is required. Okay, and characteristics is precision, uniqueness, finiteness, input, output, generality. Now, what is this? I am just going to tell you. Suppose I am just going to take two number A and B, and we are just going to do the sum, and my sum is coming as C. So this is the entire process. So what is our input A and B? What is our output C? What is the function over here? What is the function plus and equal to? These are two function. So and what is the uniqueness? Because this is valid only A and B and C, and generality we are just going to do it right now. A, B, C, here you all know that these are known as variables. Now in the place of variables, we can tell that this formula is in general formula, and I hope that you all can remember this is one of the property of the addition of whole number. Okay, so generality means if in the A, B and C's place any two number I'm going to take, I will obviously get a new number C in the every time. Okay, so this is called generality, input output. I hope you understood. And uniqueness means here it is addition, so no uniqueness, but yeah, I can just form a complex formula that can be unique like this. And precision means here always one output will come, that I have just I know I knew it from the starting of this thing. And finiteness means here nowhere we will just come to the concept of infinity. So computer does not handle infinity. Okay, so this is a big no in computer science. I hope this part you all have understood. So what you will remember, only the point: precision, uniqueness, finiteness, input, output, and generality. Because if I am going to write the questions, give you the questions, I will never give you the questions like that, explain the characteristics of algorithm. Rather, I will write like, I will give the question like that: state few characteristics of algorithm. Okay, so that time you need to write it like that. So going to the next page, I will be going a little fast today. Here you can see that example they have given. So before going to the example, we will learn the correct thing. First, the symbol algorithm, all this is symbol end, and these symbols are very important for the algorithm. So this chapter, how much we will learn, only we will learn that part. And these are the process where we will use means you will, while we will draw the flow chart, we will use those things. Okay, now here one sensor represents sensor related thing is given to you. This is very hard. Okay, so let me, I will just going to do a very easy flow chart for you. Just wait. Okay, so I'm here up to this you mark. Okay, so I'm just stopping the share. Here I'm just again take out your copy. I'm just again doing this. I'm just going to do a very easy flowchart on our whiteboard. Okay, so this is today's class.
Ma'am, we have to do in our copy also.
If you feel like you don't have to learn, then you don't do.
Ma'am, I cannot do. Ma'am, I cannot see.
Maher Hussain. Maher, you
Yes,
left the class and join it once again. Left the class and join once again. Okay, so the example, whatever I have given you to display the sum of numbers. Okay, so what was the first?
okay.
Now it's okay. Okay. I'm in generally using a blue color. Actually, color you don't have to do, but here I can draw it. Okay, so start and end is having the same button, right? And after that, we have to use the arrows. Okay, so while I am using the arrow, I'm just going to use it in the black. How I'm just going to do, just first see it, then only you will write it.
Ma'am, we have to write it.
No, see it only. Write it. I'm unable to draw parallelogram over here. This is not a parallelogram here.
Ma'am, you can take help of that annotation option.
Annotations options and I've taken. Rather, I should take the straight line and draw it.
Ma'am, you can see there was no an option like you can do by the sum of the flowchart of there. There you can draw. This is one app.
App is not needed. Color in generally you can use, you can't use, that is totally on you. Okay, I'm using it because I am having options. Okay, color is not mandatory, but the drawing, shape drawing is mandatory for the flowcharts.
Ma'am, this is important.
How can I tell right now? I have not said, I don't know how the questions are getting, how the questions will be getting set. Okay, so after that, here much space is not there. So I'm just doing it like that so that it is looks good. Okay, now here I'm just going to draw. First is start. Every flowchart is having two options. First is start and end. And you will see that start and end button will be like that, right? After that, arrows are seen by coming like that.
Ma'am, we have to draw this.
Yes. Next is input. Yes, you have to draw it.
Ma'am, we have to download any app for using
No,
flowchart
no.
in computer.
And this is display extra. You have to, because in exam you will not sit with your app. Display sum, and this is the basic thing. Suppose x and y two variable I have taken, and I told you that to display the sum, you have to write the program and you have to draw the flowchart. So what will be the flowchart? The flowchart will be very easy, like that. There are some complex flowcharts are also there. Okay, so basic flowchart first you have learned, you have to learn. Now, suppose this question I'm just going to give you like that. Find out the product of two numbers or product of three numbers. Do it by yourself to display the product of three numbers. Do it right now to display the product of three numbers.
Ma'am, how to draw display?
Display is output actually. So the
Okay, ma'am.
parallelogram we will take.
Okay, ma'am.
Mhm.
Ma'am, hello.
Yes. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
I am complete.
Sagas, are you ill for few days? Many days you have not done the class.
Ma'am, what?
Sagas, you
Yes, ma'am. I have that fever.
COVID,
No, ma'am. Fever, only fever.
only fever. Okay, 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 okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Sit comfortably and do the class. So it's very hard. Means children are not that much exposed to COVID, but unfortunately the Delta variant is just affecting the children as well.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I have tell one thing. Ma'am, revision chapter 1 to in the ma'am, this will be
Question
there in exam.
Yes, yes. Question answer is not done also. Done. The next question is also done.
Yes, ma'am.
Display
Yes,
the product
ma'am.
of three numbers. Same. Input will be X, Y, Z. product equal to x multiplied by y multiplied by z, display product in. The difference is like that. Okay, so am I gonna do, I have to do it or not? I have to do that thing or not?
Yes, ma'am. Please do.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So here I'm just going to draw it by my hand. It will be more convenient for me. Okay. So the question was like that. First of all, we will write like start, then the our input we have to take. Very bad I'm drawing. Please use scale, okay?
Ma'am, what are you writing? X, Y, Z or 7?
Z. This is the flowchart will look like this. Okay, so in exam, this kind of very basic flowchart will come. Okay, so here I am just I'm just having it. We will next do the exercise. Okay, at least fill in the blanks is done today. It's fine. I gave the attendance when one of you are leaving the class. Very nice.
Ma'am, don't give now, ma'am. Then all will leave.
Then already given, na? I forget every day. I have just put it and keep it. Means there is one option, one button is coming. Means mark attendance. If I'm just did it, then it means it is updated and you will be notified as soon as that.
Ma'am, your voice is too low.
I'm talking low. Why you are not accepting? Why you are not accepting the fact that ma'am can also talk low? Ma'am can't have the energy to talk, shout sometimes. Please accept the fact.
No,
Yes,
we
I
can
can
hear
also
you
talk.
properly.
Yes, please accept the fact. Yes, accept the fact that ma'am can also talk low. To handle a dash, we need to make a better plan to handle a program.
Program. No, ma'am, that will be problem.
Problem or program, anything you can write. Here we are learning computer, so problem is looking like we are solving math. Program means yes, some serious thing we are doing.
Ma'am, we
Okay.
can write the
Problem also, program also. Both the thing I have written. See, in computer programming too, we need to what?
To plan.
It will be easier to code a program after we have
Algorithm.
algorithm, no, not algorithm, algorithm. That th is pronunciated as the. Okay, algorithm, algorithm. Flowchart provide a step-by-step diagram.
Diagram.
Flowchart provides an easy way of communication.
Today is my exam. Today is very poor.
Ma'am, then 6 will be data.
Data. No data.
Flowchart give us a clear overview of the entire
True.
program. True.
True.
Flowchart check the accuracy in the practical flow. No, never it is checking.
Yes,
Flowchart
ma'am.
documents the steps
True.
followed
True.
in the
True.
algorithm. True. Flowchart provide the
False.
facility for
False.
decoding. False.
False.
Flowchart provide the way of modification of running program.
True.
True.
And then 6 also true.
Flowchart show all the major element and the relationship.
True.
True.
Yes.
Ma'am, you didn't? Ma'am, read the chapter.
Yes, the 3-page chapter, entire page is not needed. Most of the things is not needed. What is called algorithm, why flowchart we are needing, and what is the diagrams we are using. Then do two problems, basic problems also we have solved.
thing you mark in book.
Yes.
You have to read that only.
Yeah, that only, that much only, and the MCQs also. We
And
will.
then if syllabus is finished, you will revise this computer chapter again. Because if you read the chapter, we can understand. And our memorizing that happens. And we have not read the question answer again. If you ask the question, we can answer it very well.
Yeah, obviously, my you have not done that kind of class in the physical class. There was one class in generally in the previous school I was used to give, like there one last class only I have done the revision of their entire syllabus in one class only. Suppose that is 40 minutes class. So I used the board one side, whatever we have learned in the short form, I used to write, and in the left, the long question answer, fill in the blanks or whatever they have to read, everything I used to write. And that is called a memory technique. Suppose means okay, please write it. I'm showing it right now. Flashcard method, that is known as.
Ma'am, don't show now because I'm writing.
Take a screenshot now.
Okay, ma'am, just 1 second. Arey, ma'am.
I will post it. Wait,
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, the flashcard.
Ma'am, please show the way. I cannot take the screenshot.
You cannot take. I have taken it. I mine also removed. Okay. Suppose in the next here I am just going to revise the chapter. So I will make a flashcard. Flashcard means in a small piece of paper I will write the entire thing. Flashcard. This is called. Now suppose from this chapter, chapter 3. No need to write in copy. Chapter 3, whatever we have learned. First of all, we have learned algorithm. After that, we have learned what characteristics of algorithm. So this here you don't have to be very much. What can I say? Very much.
Ma'am, I made that type of small cards for the definition which I cannot remember properly.
Yeah. So algorithm, the characteristic of algorithm, then hoche diagram. Okay. So here in the diagram, you can just write
Where is diagram?
start and end, arrow. Means while you will memorize, just write process. After that, no, sorry, input output process. Means how much it's needed to remember yourself. Remembering the entire chapter, just represent the chapter in this much short. Did you know this? Know this technique?
Ma'am, I
don't
made this
question.
cards.
Okay, don't question. Just listen to me first. Question you can do later. See, think. After that, tomorrow you can do the question. Now here you suppose in your exam 6 chapter is there. So in one page, in one A4 size white page is very nice. You just do it. Okay, before the exam, suppose exam is going to be start in 2 hours. After revision, you will just see this thing. Suppose you forget the one
Flashcards.
characteristics. Okay, immediately open the book, read the characteristics for 5 times. This is the motto of the flashcard. Okay, 5 times or 10 times. You will definitely remember everything from your book. How I am able to remember everything at a time? This is the method. Where I have learned here, one astronaut's interview I was seeing. Means I'm very much interested what they're doing in space and all. So he was interviewed. I forget the name also, his name also. That he interviewed like that, how you are able to remember everything, whatever you have to done. Means the space shuttle, running a space shuttle is very difficult. He told yes, it's difficult. It's never been an easy job, but I turn everything into one pager. Turn everything into one pager means maybe there are some functions they have to memorize. So they have writing it in a short form. One pager means that the entire thing in one page. You try to understand. They are running a rocket as well as they are just staying in the space and everything. They are just memorizing in at a time every function. So they have writing it. They have written it in a short form so that in one page, so that we can just understand. Now what happened in our brain actually while we are doing like this, our memories are just means organized all the data inside our brain and compressed it so that we can store more new data and we can remember it very perfectly. Okay, so from the next time, use this method for especially those chapters like those subjects like history, geography,